Use of WEEE Forum packages. For some WEEE output fractions, often sold to the metal trade, available information are limited. Therefore, the RepTool expert group collected information and created so-called WEEE Forum packages to be used until individual information are available. It is up to you as WEEE system or RepTool access administrator to allow the use of those packages or not. If you like to allow the use of those packages, click the Use WEEE Forum Packages checkbox and press the Submit button. After this, press the Update Now button below. With this, you will import the WEEE Forum packages from the RepTool server and they will be shown in the list of available packages. Additional or updated WEEE Forum packages might be provided in the future, so you should use this Update Now button from time to time.